Send to them. Ah, give the food.
Crazy Rosa
Feeding piggy yun.
having a yes. Pigeon up.
Oh, look.
That's a bunch of pigeons.
A lot.
That's a lot. Get to
Don't kick.
fine. But they really love bread.
Yes, they're fighting. Oh, fighting.
Yeah, because they want the bread all for themselves. Pigeons are greedy.
Oh, done. They are done.
They can
The bread
still
is finished.
wait. They're still getting a little bit more.
Mhm.
More. There's little pieces left, and they're trying to get it.
Oh, they go now. Okay. Okay.
Wait,
Bye-bye,
at least
pigeon.
we could recognize.
Okay,
Oh,
bye-bye.
they got a lot. Wait, I want to take. I want to do the video. There's lot pigeons. There's some more pigeons. You see, they're everywhere. A lot, right?
So, okay. Go now.
Okay.